There's a myth that you need a huge salary to build wealth, but that's just not true. I've seen high earners go broke and minimum wage workers become millionaires. The difference? Habits, discipline, and mindset. Today, I'll show you how to start building wealth from any income. Let's dive in. Wealth starts in your mind, not your wallet. If you believe you'll always be broke, you will be. But if you see every dollar as a tool, you unlock opportunity. That $5 isn't just coffee. It's a seed for your future. Shift from scarcity to opportunity and take small, consistent steps. Remember, your income doesn't define your future. Your mindset does. Next, get brutally honest about your money. Track every dollar you earn and spend for a month. Use an app, spreadsheet, or notebook. Don't judge, just observe. You'll spot leaks, subscriptions, lunches, little things that add up. Awareness is power. You can't control what you don't measure. Once you see where your money goes, you can start directing it. The wealthy pay themselves first, so should you. Treat saving as a non-negotiable bill, even if it's just 5% of your income. Automate transfers to savings right after payday, before you spend a cent. Start with a small emergency fund, then save for bigger goals. Consistency beats amount saved first, spend what's left. You can only cut expenses so far, so grow your income. Learn high-demand skills online for free or cheap. Think freelancing, digital marketing, or content creation. Monetize what you know or love, even if it's just a side hustle. An extra $200 a month can supercharge your savings and investments. Income growth is your wealth accelerator. Investing is where your money starts working for you. You don't need a lot, just time and consistency. Use beginner-friendly apps to invest small amounts in index funds or ETFs. The earlier you start, the more compounding works its magic. Don't chase hype. Focus on steady long-term growth. Bad debt is the biggest threat to your wealth. Avoid high-interest debt and buy now, pay later traps. They drain your future. If you're in debt, use the snowball or avalanche method to pay it off aggressively. Every dollar in interest is a dollar lost from your future wealth. Make getting debt-free your top priority. Building wealth isn't about luck or a big paycheck. It's about mindset, habits, and action. Start small, stay consistent, and use every dollar wisely. The journey begins now. Your future is in your hands. Like, share, and subscribe for more ways to master your money.